Hi Scorpio, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of 26th of April to 2nd of May. Please keep in mind these are general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that you don't miss out my videos and we meet every week. Let's see what your week has. Alright, Scorpio, your own card and things changing after your perspective changes. The Five of Swords, which you don't see, is this toxic thing has to end because your perspective will change, and things will change after your perspective changes. So I'm not talking in jumbles. I'm saying that you are in a relationship which is toxic for you. You will start seeing that this week that it is not serving you properly. It is not for your good, and then the magic will happen. Then the things will start moving, and I think you will be meeting the right person post your uh, epiphany that you will have this week. Let us see what the Major Arcana card has for you. Judgment. So yes, things will be set right this week. Like I said, your perspective will change, your intuition, your epiphany. There'll be an epiphany. Your intuition will guide you what is the right thing, because you what you don't see is that there'll be some conflict this week which will turn out to be in your favor, and the toxic energy from your life will definitely get removed. Let's see some love messages for you guys. What are love messages? That you have options. You have options. So don't get stuck in this devil zone. Dwell on what you love. So this week, find things that you love for your perspective to change. You need to get out of this, take a break from whatever this toxic thing is, and you have options, but you won't realize till you take a break. And like I said, Hangman, your perspective has to change in order to things move forward. So dwell on what you love, be it a hobby, be it friends. Everyone is doing their best. So if you feel that people are not as appreciative around you right now, so things are not great, might not be great, and they are doing their best in whichever situation they are. So don't judge and don't be too negative. And so yes, you do have options. Things will definitely change. Let's see one more message from the universe. My outer experiences are a reflection of my inner condition. Like I said, you need to take a break and reflect on your inner experiences or inner feelings, and things on the outer surface will change once your inner feelings change. So it's a very simple rule of the universe. Show gratitude and you'll get. And the more you complain, the more things get withheld. The more negative energies you attract, the more toxic energies you attract. So I think yes, things you need to go within and work on your inner self, on your inner thinking, and things are bound to change this week. So universe will guide you what to do in order for you to change the things that can help you change your perspective and help you change the circumstances around you. Let's see how you can handle this week. What can Scorpio do to handle this week? Humility. Be humble. Accept your shortcomings. Like I said, everyone is doing your best, so are you. Accept your shortcomings. We all have shortcomings. Don't judge yourself if you're not judging other people. And be humble. Like I said, this is coming twice, which means you are bound to judge other people this week. You are bound to criticize people around you this week for maybe your own situation, which universe is asking you to don't do. Be humble. And everyone is doing their best. You have options. Take a break. Take some time out for yourself to think, to ponder on what you're feeling. Go inside, feel what you're feeling, and then I think you will be guided towards the right path, is what this week is telling you to do. This is all I have for you this week, and I'll be posting the monthly ones very soon. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that we can meet every week. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.